Close your books more accurately by accruing outstanding expenses in Ramp. At the start of a new month, you may still have card transactions from the prior period that aren't ready to sync. Ramp Accruals helps close this gap by letting you create, post, and automatically reverse accrual journal entries in your accounting system. Start by going to Accounting, then Card Transactions. From the three-dot menu next to Settings, select Accrual Report. This generates a report of card transactions that haven't been synced yet. On the Accrual Report page, select the entity you want to accrue for if it applies. In Edit Accrual Settings, you can select the liability account you want to post the accrual to. Ramp will set the accrual date to the last day of the prior period and the reversal date to the first day of the current period. You can choose your journal entry preference, either one line per GL account or one line per transaction. After you save, you can scroll down to preview how the journal entry will appear in your accounting system. When everything looks correct, click Sync Accruals. Ramp sends the accrual entries directly to your accounting system and automatically schedules the reversal. With automated accruals, you'll eliminate close delays and make sure every dollar lands in the right month.